Last Thanksgiving, my grandson ran to the door and jumped into my arms. And for the first time, I wasn't sure I could hold him. My legs shook, my back locked up. I set him down faster than I wanted to. He didn't notice, but I did. That night, I sat on the edge of the bed and thought, when did standing up become the hardest part of my day? My name's Bob. I'm 68 years old, and if that sounds familiar, stay with me. Here's what's happening inside your body right now, and nobody explains this. After 30, your muscles start shrinking. Doctors call it sarcopenia. Fancy word, simple problem. You're losing the muscle that gets you off the couch, the muscle that catches you when you trip, the muscle that lets you carry your own groceries. It's not because you're old, it's because those muscles stopped getting a reason to stay. But you can reverse this at 65, at 75, even at 85. It takes 5 moves and 10 minutes. I'll walk you through all 5. But the 4th one changed everything for me. Stay with me. Move 1. Sit to stand. Chair. Feet flat. Arms crossed. Stand up slowly. Sit back down. Try 10 without using your hands. This trains the exact muscles you use to get off the toilet, out of a car, up from the dinner table. Think about how many times a day you do that. Now think about what happens when you can't. Cindy's mom couldn't do one last year. Started at 3. She's at 8 now. That's not small. That's independence. Move 2. Calf raises. Stand behind a chair. Rise up on your toes. Pause. Lower slowly. These are the muscles that absorb every step you take. Ever feel unsteady on grass? Stepping off a curb feels like a gamble. That's weak calves. Not weak courage, weak calves. 10 slow reps. Now the next 2 train muscles most seniors completely ignore. Move 3. Wall push-ups. Arms length from a wall. Hands flat. Lean in. Push back. You need these when you're pushing yourself off the floor, shoving open a heavy door, catching yourself when you lose balance. That's not gym strength. That's survival strength. 10 reps. Move 4. This is the one. Overhead press. Grab 2 water bottles or 2 soup cans. Shoulders. Push up. Lower down. 6 months ago, I couldn't put a cereal box on the top shelf without wincing. My shoulder was so stiff I did that awkward sideways reach just to avoid lifting my arm. Cindy was putting away groceries for me. She never said a word, but I noticed. 3 weeks, 10 reps a day, 2 soup cans. I put that cereal box up myself. Didn't think about it, just did it. That's what this is about, not looking strong, being able to do the things you stopped noticing you couldn't do. Move 5. Step back lunges. Step 1 foot back, bend both knees slightly, push forward, switch legs. Hold a chair if you need to. The chair is a tool, not a crutch. This trains balance, coordination, and strength all at once. 5 on each leg. Here's what I want you to hear. This isn't about getting fit. This is about reaching the top shelf without asking for help, walking to the mailbox without worrying, picking up your grandchild and holding on a little longer. 5 moves, 10 minutes. Your muscles don't know how old you are. They just know whether you're using them. Start tomorrow. 1 round. See how it feels. I'm Bob. This is Cindy and Bob. Take care of yourselves, y'all.